This section is on logarithmic functions, or logarithms, and it's log for short. So the first couple questions ask us to use a calculator to evaluate the expression to 4 decimal places. So we're just typing in different numbers into the log and just calculating the value that would be. So the log key on my calculator is to the left of the 7. So if I type log of 15, then that's going to get me 1.1761. If I type log of 100, I get 2. If I type log of 555, I think I have the right number of 5s, then I get 6.7447. And then ln, this is a different type of logarithm which we'll talk about a little bit later. But the ln key is right underneath the log key, or to the left of 4. So ln of 25.3, that is going to be 3.2308. Okay, so in the last section we dealt with exponential functions, and they grew very quickly, like really fast. But with logarithms, these functions actually grow very slowly. So if you look at number 1, if you plug 15 into the logarithmic function, then you get 1.176. If you plug in 100, you're all the way up to 2. If you plug in this huge number, you're only up to 6.7. So it's growing extremely slowly. And again, this is the opposite of the exponential functions, which we dealt with in the previous section.